Ah, puppy. Okay. All right, so this is how we transported, what am I trying to say? Patio doors and a patio door. Good grief, I can't think, can't speak. What do you think, buddy? You're like, what are you doing, man? Anyways, so there's two windows and a patio door, or a garden door, whatever you want to call it. All right, so started off with this frame. This is just what we had at home, so this is what we used. Some done and job semis, some 4x4s, they're 8 foot long, whatever. This is a 5x8 trailer. So laid the two across, like this bad boy, and the buddy back there, and then laid them across. We started with the patio door, or let's call it a patio door, and put these two, sandwiched the door between these two, if I could show. That looks nice, eh? And then we were gonna buy one, this is all used stuff, right? We were gonna buy one window, this small guy, and stick it in the truck cab. And then the guy's like, oh no, buy this other one for a good deal. Sure, all right. So we had to, thankfully we took more, at least 4x along. So we just sandwiched everything together. I just ran out of straps, otherwise I would have, so this guy is the only one that's actually holding this wooden frame down. I would have liked to put another one in the front here, but whatever, I ran out of straps. So got these big guys going across, because these stake pockets are kind of in not the greatest spots for this application, but we made it work. I had tension from either side, which I like. And yeah, so the drive was like 100 kilometers and we made it. Everything looks good. So can't complain. What do you think, Denali? Come here. What do you think, buddy? She had fun too. Anyway, so this is how to transport garden door, patio door, windows, whatever you want to call it. It worked well.